And we're back to learning CapCut in here, day 93. Let me show the basics of text animation. Create a default text under text, add text and use the plus sign. I'll change it here to animation. And you can see at the top there's an animation option, but that is also active for the video clip right here. So make sure that you're actually on the text element. We activate it and we have in, out and loop. Just like we had with the text effects, you can add your favorites. We've done that in an earlier video with the fade out. As always, there are pro features. So if you use the free version, watch out for that. You have to download it and usually it's just a one-click option and then it already will be applied. And you can see the duration option right here. You can do that numerically or using the slider and adjust the speed for the animation. Let us switch to out. I add another one. This one's more complex, so it takes a little bit more time, but usually you should get them after just a couple of seconds of downloading. And now we have a second duration slider. So on the left, there's still the one for in, and on the right, there will always be the one for out. And you can see there are lots of animations. I'm not going to go over them in detail. Once more, it's easy to apply. It's a one-click option. But a general word of advice is when you've got some that you like, click on the star icon and then they will be stored right here under favorites and you can easily find them next time and you don't have to scroll through all of it. Let me set it to none for in and outs, and now we go to loop. Loop works in principle the same way, so you search through it. Once you've got something that you like, download it, and it will be already applied. But you can see the duration is actually added to the entire clip. So if I make this clip now longer, our text element, nothing changes, it just loops through. But we still have a slider, and this is now for the speed. So how often does it loop through? Let me pick, for example, this one here, this wavy effect. And if you go down with the speed, you can see it loops through it faster. And if you go up with the speed, it loops slower through it, but it will always be applied to the entire clip. So you will have this loop animation given to whatever duration your text element has. For the loop, you also have favorites. So use the star tool for easy reference in the future. And these are the basics of using text animations in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.